Are you looking to supercharge your WooCommerce store? Whether it's boosting sales, enhancing the shopping experience, or optimizing back-end processes, these top WooCommerce plugins are must-haves. Stay tuned, because we're saving the best for last. 1. WooCommerce subscriptions. Enable recurring payments with WooCommerce subscriptions. Perfect for membership sites, subscription boxes, or any recurring service. It supports flexible billing schedules, automatic renewals, and even trial periods. 2. Rank Math SEO for WooCommerce. Rank Math SEO takes your WooCommerce store to new heights. Optimize your product pages with schema markup, meta descriptions, and advanced analytics, all tailored for e-commerce. 3. LiveChat for WooCommerce. Provide real-time support and convert visitors into customers with LiveChat. It integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce to track visitor behavior and provide instant assistance. 4. Stripe Payment Gateway. Make payments seamless with the Stripe Payment Gateway plugin. It supports multiple currencies, secure transactions, and popular payment methods like Google Pay and Apple Pay. 5. WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing and Discounts. Increase sales with customized pricing and discounts. Create bulk discounts, BOGO offers, or even seasonal promotions effortlessly with this plugin. Ready to take your WooCommerce store to the next level? These plugins are designed to help you grow your business, improve customer experience, and stay ahead of the competition. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and plugin recommendations. See you in the next video.